Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this awesome 2013 Ford Expedition Limited that we have for sale. This one's a local one-owner clean Carfax vehicle, lots of service history at Ford. You really can't ask for a much better track record than that on a pre-owned car. One owner, service history, no history of accidents. This one was a trade-in at Tesla. Since Tesla only sells pre-owned Teslas, any off-brand vehicles they take in on trade, they make available for stores like us to buy for their pre-owned inventory. Of course, we're going to jump at the opportunity to get a nice vehicle like this. And you know, most dealerships would take a vehicle like this on trade. They'd certainly keep it. So luckily, Tesla doesn't sell used cars. They take a lot of new car business from us. On the new Infiniti side, the Model 3 is very competitive, so at least, you know, Elon Musk throws us some bones and we can get our hands on some very beautiful trades that they get. And I can tell you, I'm the used car manager here. I do the majority of the acquisitions of our inventory. Tesla has some of the nicest trades that you can imagine, and it's almost like a feeding frenzy when they get up for sale. It's an auction type situation where they go to the highest bidder, and I luckily won the bidding on this one. There's a lot of other people trying to get their hands on this beautiful local clean Carfax Expedition Limited. You have a beautiful leather interior, really nice color combination in black on black, moonroof, automatic dimming mirror, lots of storage, lots of connectivity for your smartphones. You have an integrated brake controller, heated and cooled front seats, auto climate control, navigation, rear parking camera. Of course, this is a four-wheel drive model. Nice leather wrap steering wheel. This one has 76,424 miles. About average mileage for a 2013. Most people do 10, 12, 15,000 miles a year. Power adjustable pedals. Power folding mirrors. And the mirrors also have integrated turn signals. Retractable power running boards. The nice thing about the Expedition is it's built on rugged body and frame architecture. It shares its platform with the Ford F-150. So being built on a half-ton truck platform, it's a lot better for towing and hauling heavy loads versus a body and frame crossover, which those are very popular these days. We also have heated second row seats, lots of power options here. Rear jacks for the radio, so the rear occupants can plug in headphones, listen to the radio. Of course, you have a third row seating as well. And all these seats fold down, so you can turn this into a cargo vehicle as well. It does have a tow hitch. And going back to towing and hauling or going off-road, you're going to do a lot better with a rugged body and frame architecture versus a car-based crossover. Crossovers are popular these days. They're built on unibody architecture. And you know, if you don't need to tow or go off-road, you're going to get more car-like driving dynamics, better gas mileage, but there's no duplication, again, for a rugged body and frame SUV. Looks like we also have power folding rear seats as well. And this Expedition has been serviced and checked by our techs, and it's backed by a 5-day 100% money back guarantee. We want to make sure that you're happy the vehicle you purchase from us, be it new or pre-owned. That's why we have that 5-day money back guarantee. If you have a large family, this is a great vehicle, lots of space for those road trips, family vacations, Costco runs, all the fun things or errands that you need to do with your family. Really is in nice condition. The heart of this particular Expedition, they've had some different engines. This has a 5.4 liter Triton V8. The 5.4 liter Triton V8 has been the workhorse engine of the Ford half-ton pickup trucks for a long time. Great engine, plenty of power for passing on the highway, acceleration and towing. If you're in the market for a full-size luxury SUV in the low $20,000 price range, this one-owner clean Carfax Expedition with service history at Ford is definitely one to be on the top of your list. Great history on it, great condition, beautiful color combination, very well appointed with features. Thanks for taking the time today to watch this video, and hopefully we see you in our store very soon, and have a wonderful day.